Hi, I am Dr. Jamuna Pai and welcome to Beauty Secrets. I have been in the business for over 25 years and now I want to share with you all the tips and tricks I have learned along the way. Follow me to get an insider view on how to get great skin for life. Hi everybody, today I am going to address some of the questions that my clients have been asking. The first one being, how can pigmentation around the neck be treated? Now the skin on your neck could be dark due to various reasons: excess weight, sun exposure, hormonal fluctuation as in the case of diabetes, polycystic ovaries, or other skin related conditions like an acanthosis nigricans. Now, the skin brightening creams and scrubs might work with acanthosis to a certain extent. In case of a hormonal imbalance, I think addressing the underlying cause will help to a great deal, such as managing the blood sugar levels, losing weight, that's very important. A topical application of tretinoin along with some berry extracts may help lessen this pigmentation. Laser therapies may additionally help to lighten it. So let's look what our next question is. Can stretch marks be removed and what is the treatment or solution for it? Unfortunately, stretch marks are formed because of the permanent snapping of the elastin fibers which are there in the deeper layer of the skin, the dermis. The scar tissue, because of this snapping, ultimately shows as silvery white scars or the striae. They're called striae or white silvery marks. Unfortunately, you cannot get rid of the stretch marks completely. But if the stretch marks are in their initial stages, they show a purplish hue. They are a little maroonish purplish in color and a little raised. In such case, some kind of repair with retinol cream at night, a little higher concentration, works well. Keep the area even well hydrated because a drier skin, comes in the way of the healing. Certain skin resurfacing treatments such as a fractional laser, microneedling techniques, sublative radiofrequency can help to minimize them to a certain extent, but do not expect them to completely disappear. Okay, the next question. Is laser hair reduction safe for the face? Will it cause me acne or rash? Yes, the laser hair reduction is safe for not just the face, but the entire body. After laser treatment, at the most, there could be a transient redness on the area treated or a little pinkening of the skin for a couple of hours. What matters most is the ability of the professional providing the treatment. I strongly recommend going to an experienced center who has an experienced doctor for your hair reduction treatment. It will surely not cause you a rash or acne. Well, I have next a question on a tablet that so many people take for acne. I've been asked whether isotretinoin, which is taken for my acne, gets my skin all red and itchy. Is that normal? Isotretinoin or the synthetic vitamin A, a great solution for nodular cystic or the stubborn acne, strictly under doctor's advice. Though a very good medication to address acne, at times can cause mild skin peeling, redness and itching of the skin. All of these symptoms usually settle down gradually. If they do not, ideally you should discontinue the medication and get in touch with your physician. Meanwhile, let me tell you how you can manage the mild discomfort. First up, check if you're taking additional vitamin A supplements along with the synthetic vitamin, that is the isotretinoin, which then could worsen the skin peeling and other side effects like redness and itching. Avoid soaps and switch over to gentle face washes. Avoid washing your face with hot water. Use a non-comedogenic water-based moisturizer, which is very important to control the peeling and the irritation. Use petroleum jelly to control the dryness on the lips. But definitely visit your physician who will guide you otherwise. Is there any OTC treatment, that is over-the-counter treatment for blocked pores? The pores, they're the external opening of the oil duct onto the skin. These pores get blocked due to excess of the oil production, that is sebum. The buildup of the dead skin cells will further get oxidized and they form an overlying black plug. Now look for cleansing products with gentle exfoliants like the sea salt, which will help to loosen the blackheads. Now the cleansers, if they contain salicylic acid or alpha hydroxy acids or lactic acid, they help in dissolving the dirt and oil, thus unclogging the pores. Taking a supplement of vitamin A or zinc under the guidance of your physician is a good idea to help control the sebum production and thereby lessen the occurrence of comedones which block the pores. Comedones are blackheads. Now a cleanup is the best way to remove this plug. Blackheads should be extracted by a trained healthcare professional only. Avoid extracting them by yourself as it could lead to scarring. Thank you for watching Beauty Secrets with Dr. Jamuna Pai, and I hope this has been helpful to you. For more videos like these, don't forget to subscribe.